Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Riders Republic error code Powpow 4. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users get constantly kicked from the game due to server connection problems. According to our research, the error happens because of unstable server connections or issues with Ubisoft's online services. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your device along with your network. Simply power off your device and shut down your router. Then wait for a few seconds and then power them back on and relaunch the game. Then check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then it may be because Ubisoft is currently experiencing issues with their online services. In this case, wait for some time and try again. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.